Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Today, we're going to learn this character. Its pronunciation is Mia. Have you noticed that it looks kind of familiar? Do you remember this character? Yes, that's Huo, means fire. Now take a look at Mia. It's basically the character Huo with an extra horizontal stroke on top. I'll give you 5 seconds to guess what it means. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A lid on top of fire? Doesn't that mean to put out the fire? Did you get it right? That's correct. The literal meaning of Mia is to extinguish. It can also mean to wipe out or to exterminate. For example, 灭火 means to extinguish a fire or put out flames. Here, it usually means to extinguish or put out something, like fire, light, or even emotions. 消灭 means to make something disappear or no longer exist. In most cases, it means to eliminate or wipe out something completely. 灭口 means to kill someone to keep them silent. 灭族 refers to kill every member of a family, a punishment that was used in ancient times. Here, the character Mia means to completely destroy or eliminate, whether it's a person, a secret, or even an entire lineage. Let's practice reading this character. Mia, Mia, Mia. The character Mia has a long and complex history in ancient Chinese. In early pictographs, it looked like this, and later evolved into this more complicated form, which expressed the meaning to extinguish, wipe out, or exterminate. That older form is the traditional character, like this. In 1956, when China introduced the simplified Chinese character reform, this complex character was simplified. The modern simplified character, Mia, was created by taking inspiration from the lower part of the traditional character. Some regions, like Taiwan, still use the traditional form today. Traditional characters can be pretty complex, so here we focus on simplified Chinese. It's just easier and friendlier to learn. Compared with the traditional character, the simplified one is much easier to write, right? Now let's learn how to write this character. It's a top and bottom structure. The top is a long horizontal stroke, and below it is the character Huo. We write it from top to bottom. First, write the horizontal stroke in the upper part of the writing grid, and then write the character Huo below it. Simple, right? You've got it. When you travel to China, you'll definitely see this sign in hotels. Now you know how to read this word, 灭火. It means fire extinguisher. Congratulations! You've just learned another useful Chinese word. If you enjoy my explanation, please give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me and keeps me motivated. In this channel, I'll make learning Chinese characters more fun by adding interesting stories and examples. So join us, take it step by step, and you'll master more Chinese characters one by one.